Looking for a reliable way to earn PayPal cash straight from your phone? Discover how you can make real money with a free survey app available on both Android and iOS. Before I dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on my newest ways to make money online. And drop a comment below telling me which country you're watching from. I'll make videos just for your region. Today, I'm talking about Viewpoints, the survey app that pays you real money straight to your PayPal account, and the best part, no investment needed. Viewpoints is run by Meta, the company behind Facebook, so you know it's legit. It's completely free and works on both Android and iOS, so almost anyone can get started. Here's how it works. Sign up, complete quick surveys, feedback programs, or short research tasks. Each one earns you points. Once you hit 1,000 points, that's $3 cash, straight to your PayPal, or you can grab a gift card if you'd rather. The app is global and highly rated, 4.8 stars on the Apple App Store, and 4.2 on Google Play. That's a lot of happy users. You won't get rich overnight, but if you're scrolling anyway, why not turn that downtime into some side income? It's perfect for students, stay-at-home parents, or anyone who just wants a little extra for coffee, bills, or savings. So, what do you think? Would you try Viewpoints? Let me know your thoughts and which apps you want me to review next in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on those notifications so you're always one step ahead in the side hustle game. Catch you in the next one.